Jaden, I swear I'm in a boxing.
Here.
I swear to God.
Okay.
You have to go to the hospital tonight.
Nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries, all the fairy tales. Just wanna look good, craving the attention. We don't know when to stop, so we keep going to a job. Yeah, let me tell you about a little thing that I know of. It can give you everything you need. Oh, just look.
Hey y'all, welcome back for another prank. So today, me and my partner in crime right here, we're gonna act like he shit the bed. My husband hates when he lays in the bed, sleeps in the bed. He says cats should never be in a bed. Well, he's my cat. He's allowed to sleep in my bed. So we're gonna act like he shits the bed and see how my husband reacts. Hey y'all, so I'm back with a banger. So my partner in crime here's in the perfect position because he's laying on top of the bed. My husband's downstairs getting ready for bed. Hopefully this was that big.
That too. You look like you were about to sleep. What do you want to wear to my graduation?
I don't know what you want to wear.
What do you want to wear?
Whatever you want me to wear. Well, not whatever you want me to wear.
Come.
You want me to wear?
Let me go turn off the light real quick. Oh my God, the cat shit on the bed.
What?
Swear to God.
So you're
Surprise, surprise.
clean it up.
I ain't cleaning that shit up.
Why not?
That shit ain't my fucking cat. And I say no cat on
Well,
the
then I'm
fucking
laying on
bed.
your side of the bed.
Maybe there should be no cat on the fucking bed. What?
Come pick it up.
Pick up.
Alright. Then I'm sleeping on this side of the
You're
bed.
gonna sleep side that shit?
Where you want to sleep?
Me? I sleep on the bed, but I'm not cleaning it up. Because I sing this in your ears every day. No cat in our bed, no cat in our bed, no cat. You still do it every single day. Jaden, come here. Look what the cat did.
Did you know he pooped in my bed, Jaden? Did you know he pooped in my bed?
He pooped.
Don't come in my room.
Jaden's like,
If you're not going to clean it up, don't come in.
Oh, goodbye.
Joking.
go get a
Come.
bottle.
Yeah, go get me a bag.
Go get 2 bags.
Who? He has a trash bag in his room.
You got, I meant plastic bags. Scoop up. I keep saying that.
Why are you hiding in the other room? You so scared? Jesus.
I'm not hiding. I don't want to smell it. It smells so bad. You gotta take that cover off too. I was about to lay down too.
You act so weird.
Ooh.
You run all the way for real?
No, I wasn't running either. I was trying to come get Jaden because I ain't sleeping on that shit. That shit's nasty. You don't realize that yet?
Alright, well, whatever.
My point is, don't fucking have the cat in the fucking bed. And look when lay down right, it's a nice and calm and it just cover up. Who cover it up? Take
Okay.
your cat and say nobody can see that. It's a prank.
If I saw that, you think I'd be laying here? That shit. I wish you was a friend.
That cat nasty as fuck. Must be a fucking prank, yo.
Hiding like a little punk.
He ain't sleeping on that
Hey,
side.
listen, listen. You have to pick it up
I'll
very
get it.
careful.
I'm about to say, who's
You have to
cleaning
pick
that
it up
up?
very careful so it don't, leave it for
I don't feel bad for you either. Why?
It can be
Because all the times you made me clean up the poop out of the bath. Now you know what it feels like.
You have to be very gentle.
I want to see
You don't
this
want
too.
it all up.
I want to see this too.
Make a cup in your hand. Put your next hand and make a cup in your hand.
Don't make a cup.
in your hand.
Just grab it softly, lift
So
it
it
one,
don't mess up.
lift it one at a time. Oh, I gotta watch this.
Wait.
Yeah, he's recording.
Wait.
You can sleep through a hurricane. Yeah, I'm gonna sit behind you just in case she gets any ideas. It's warm.
Alright, don't do it. Get it.
Mommy! Why everybody run? Y'all so stupid. Jada, you such a punk. Daddy ran downstairs. He's in the bathroom. You guys are all stupid. This man ran to the bathroom. He's not even in the living room. Alright, y'all all down.
Why the hell you do that right this?
Because I don't want to pick it up. I'm videoing the movie. You're just in my video.
What? Go throw that way. See that? Go throw it away. Hold it properly. Go. Don't play with me, yeah? Adopt me.
I'll give you $100 and throw it on him.
Throw that for me in my box. Jaden, listen to me.
I swear.
Oh,
Jaden, I swear I'm in a box.
Here, I'll do it. You gonna give me $100?
No, don't play with me.
I'm gonna do it.
Yo,
You better give me $100.
You hear what I just said?
You better give me.
I swear to God,
okay?
y'all forgot to the hospital tonight.
You're
I
gonna give me
swear to God.
$100.
Look at me.
I tried my hardest.
Pick that shit up. And
No.
you throw that shit on my fucking phone case. I will slap you in your face. Stop it.
With my $100.
You missed him.
Go throw it away. Adopt me and tell her. Can you feel like somebody a joke with you? Don't follow your mother, yeah? Adopt me and tell her. Case when in a pain, see how I drop. Mine drop up on my phone case and I idiot. Adopt me and
Why
tell
is
her.
it so hard?
Get out of here, man.
Not hard on your
Get out of here. Go throw
Put it on him, Jay.
You hear me just say?
$100.
I would beat Jaden. Put it.
No, you won't.
Throw it at him, Jaden, and run. Throw it and
You
run.
want it back?
Throw it and run.
Let me put up.
Throw it, Jay. And then you better run quick.
Get out, drop
Go.
the camera. You
Go.
put that metal something in your head.
Go.
I swear to God.
You do it, Mom.
Don't play with me.